y'all go get off your asses and come in here and watch this and have some fun or what?
This truck's ridiculous, dude. A little sideways. Uh-oh. Oh, yes.
You got that dirt hill too.
I know, I was looking at it when I pulled in. Oh, stick. Run up on this thing better. Oh my God. That one ain't flipping itself back over. X-MAXX, man, I'm out tearing it up. Hopefully it's all right. All right, take it back here a little bit, see if we can hit this thing. Bad hits on that ramp, it does not like them at all. You don't hit this thing perfect, she's over with. Ah, heavy on the rear again. That tire's gonna come apart here in a minute. Beautiful. What?
Hey, I know. You should at least turn the fucking ramp sideways so you can fucking launch the car.
I don't want to. My back rim's already cracked in half. I should have brought my other rims with me too. That rode a wheelie up the ramp. That was no good. Look at this thing. This is on 6S, y'all. 6. I might never run the X-MAXX on 8 again. Beautiful. Oof. Damn, there went the battery unplugged. I hope that bitch hit hard on the nose. True testament to the M2C chassis brace. Body looks like it's banged off of it and everything. Boy, let's go see. I'll just leave you with me. Oh, hell, it's back on. It obviously come unplugged or something. The last time it did this, I had a certain wire unsoldered. Oh, nope, almost unplugged. That's it. How hot's that motor? I can hold my hand on it. She's warm though. She got some heat to her. Oh, that one's unplugged too. My Lord. Both of them was unplugged. Y'all see that? That going? All right. Yo, I'm gonna let her cool down a little bit here. Give her a minute. But she's good to go. Body's destroyed, but give her a minute. All right, y'all, my back duct tape rim that I got replaced. I got the ones at home to replace it, but I didn't bring them. And this one is, she ain't gonna take too many more hits, boys and girls. She's coming apart. I can't believe it made it this long, though. I've had it out for 2 whole bashes on a broke rim. I know it. Perfect, y'all. X-MAXX is so much fun. Even on 6, I can't believe how controllable this thing is. Air control and everything on 6S it's good. Oh, bad landing there. Yeah, I messed up when I did the center diff, or I thought I was doing the center diff, and I actually put earplug in the rear one too. So it's got way too much glocked up action in the back. I gotta get rid of some of that. But other than that, she's good, guys. M2C tough, holding up, it seems like. I know these ain't huge sins, but my first time out here, and I'm gonna build he's got some more sheet wood in here. I'm gonna build a big old wide ramp for out here. I'm leaving it out here at my buddy's house now, so it's gonna be a lot better out here, y'all. I ain't gotta worry about nothing, moving a ramp no more, nothing. And I'm gonna build a big boy. Oh yeah, I was supposed to let this cool down for a minute. We'll be back, y'all. Look at the state of this rim, y'all. See that? I know you can see it busted clear in half. I literally told you, I said this baby was duct taped together. Look at that, the rim is duct taped. We're gonna keep riding her till she comes off though. Well, y'all, I'm glad I was looking around, because if I can't get in here, my day's over with. Look at that. That is no good. And yeah, I don't believe I'm gonna be able to get in there, so I think we're done. Unreal.